Guess what?
What?
Tomorrow's Friday, aka the hardest day of the week to work out. But if you would like to build a new fitness routine in light of yesterday's Daily Fit Handbook video, building a new routine, then this is what you can do. Here's a free tip. Set up your environment so that you can be ready to work out and that you don't have to use any willpower. What does this look like? If you would like to work out on Friday in the middle of chaos, if you want to start your fitness journey on the hardest day of the week to work out, this is what you do. Right now after this video, go get the gym clothes that you would like to wear to the gym tomorrow and set it by the door. Fill up your bottle of water, iPod, whatever it is that you need for a workout, get it done today and place it by the door and see what happens. The Daily Fit Handbooks drop soon, baby. Let's go!